Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, February 27th, and they are good up until Saturday, March 5th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. So you guys, I will also have a Google document linked in the description box below, just in case you guys want to print that out, take it to the store with you if you decide to do some of these deals. So let's go ahead and get started. I used a digital booster, get $15 in Walgreens cash when you spend $60. I used a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. On this transaction, one thing was my mistake. The other thing was pretty much on the cashier, and I did not realize it until I got in the car. So I grabbed one too many items, so that made my total $3 higher, and I did not realize it, you guys, until after I paid for it. And I just did not want to go back into the store and do a return or anything, so I just went ahead and kept it. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item that I'm going to start with is going to be the Colgate toothpaste. Well, I'm sorry, the Colgate toothbrush and the Colgate mouthwash. So these items are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. When you buy two, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase this Colgate toothbrush and then also this Colgate Optic White mouthwash. Purchasing those items will bring your total to $7.98. We have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate toothbrush. And then we also have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Colgate mouthwash. That's a total of $4 in digital coupons. So $7.98 minus the $4 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to $3.98. And because you purchased two, you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making both of these items completely free. And then next up, guys, I went ahead and I grabbed two of these soft soap body washes. And these are also priced this week at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase two, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And then you can also go to the soft soap website and print off a 75-cent coupon. So that'll be a total of $1.75 in coupons. So $7.98 minus that $1.75 in coupons, that will bring your total down to $6.23. And then you will receive back that $5 in Walgreens cash rewards for purchasing two. So that will bring your total down to $1.23 for both, or it'll make each each body wash just 62 cents. So this is a really good deal. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So 4 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. So this is where I messed up. I supposed to have only grabbed 3, but I accidentally grabbed a 4th one. So I'm just going to explain the deal for what I got in my transaction. So they are priced at $3 at Walgreens, and the deal is you will receive back a $3 registry reward when you buy 3. So I purchased 4. They are all priced at $3, so that brought my total to $12. I used a $2 digital coupon, and then I also used two $2 paper coupons from the March P&G. So those are a total of $6 in coupons that I used. So $12 minus the $6 in coupons, that brought my total down to $6. And then when you buy 3, you will receive back a $3 registry reward. I did receive back my $3 registry reward right here. That brought my total down to $3. And then IBOTTA does have a rebate for 25 cents back. So I submitted my receipt to IBOTTA, and I did get back that 25 cents, bringing my total down to just $2.75 for all 4, or it makes each toothpaste just 69 cents. So of course, if I would have purchased 3 like I supposed to have purchased, then these would have ended up being free for me. But since I accidentally purchased a 4th one, they ended up being 69 cents each. But whatever, learn from your mistakes. So that is the deal for the Crest. And then next up, I did go ahead and grab this Palm Olive dish soap, which is priced at 99 cents this week at Walgreens. we do have a 50-cent digital coupon. So 99 cents minus that 50-cent digital coupon, that brought the total down to just 49 cents. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of these Cascade Platinum dishwashing pods. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $5.99. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 register reward. So you're going to want to purchase 3 at $5.99, and that's going to bring your total to $17.97. I did use 2 of the 50-cent paper coupons from the March P&G. So that was a total of $1 in coupons that I used. So $17.97 minus $1 in coupons, that brought my total down to $16.97. And then I did receive back my $5 register reward, which is right here. So with receiving this register reward, it brought my total down to $11.97 for all 3 products, or it made each bag just $3.99. And then lastly, you guys, I went ahead and I purchased this Tide Pods, Downy Fabric Softener, and then 2 of the Tide Liquids. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for $5.49. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 register reward. So I went ahead and I purchased all 4 of those items at $5.49. That brought my overall total to $21.96. I used a $2 paper coupon for the Tide Pods, a $2 paper coupon for the Tide Liquid, and a $1 paper coupon for the Downy. And those coupons came from the March P&G that we just received. So that's a total of $5 in coupons that I used. So $21.96 minus the $5 in coupons, that brought my total down to $16.96. And then when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 register reward. That will bring your total down to $10.96 for all 4 items, or it'll make each item $2.74. Now, for this transaction with the Tide, guys, my register reward did not print, but I figured out why it did not print. So all of my P&G coupons scanned except for the Tide Liquid coupon. So my Downy scanned, and my Tide Pods, but the $2 for the liquid did not scan. And that's sometimes why I just do not like to use P&G coupons specifically for that reason, because sometimes they attach to other items and it just makes it very, very frustrating sometimes. So what happened was, I thought that the cashier just manually entered in the $2 off coupon, but she actually brought the price of one of my Tide liquids down to $3.49. Because of that, it did not trigger the register reward, because the price was not showing on my receipt for $5.49. It was showing for $3.49. So that is the reason why I think that the register reward didn't print, because instead of her just typing in a $2 manufacturer coupon, she modified the price to my Tide. And I'm pretty sure that's why my $6 register reward did not print. But guys, I still contacted Catalina. First I contacted customer service because I wanted to see if they would credit me the $6. This time they did not, and lately they have not been crediting. They will just tell you that you have to fill out a Catalina form. So I did go ahead and fill out the form. There's a chance that Catalina won't give me that $6 simply because the price for the Tide is not showing at $5.49. It's showing at $3.49, but I did it anyway. I'm just going to give it a shot and see if they will, credit me with that. So now let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So there's my Tide Pods right there at $3.49. Both of my soft soap at $3.99, so $7.98. Both Colgate products at $3.99. All 4 of my Crest toothpaste at $3 each, which should have been $3. Palmolive at 99 cents. All 3 of my Cascades at $5.99, so $17.97. Downy $5.49. Both of my Tide liquids at $5.49, so $10.98. My points coupon purchase, that is the get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. All of my coupons came off like they were supposed to, except for the P&G coupons. So my subtotal came out to be $50.63. So yes, guys, that is a high out of pocket. But with me, I could have done my transaction to where I got other items that had a much higher value coupon and I could have grabbed those items to make my out of pocket a little bit cheaper, but I grabbed items that I know that I can sell in my bundles. So grabbing Tide, Downy, Cascade, Palmolive, I know that I can sell all of those items in my stockpile. I didn't want to grab items just because they had a high value coupon. I grabbed items that I know for sure that I can resell. So at the end of the day, always coupon to however it fits whatever goals that you have. So $50.63. I did use my Walgreens MasterCard to pay for that. And then when you look down here, I got back a total of $35.82. So again, my total was $50.63. In Walgreens Cash Rewards, I got back $35.82. So $50.63 minus that $35.82 that I got back in Walgreens Cash, that brought my total down to $14.81. Now of that $35.82, $15 came from my digital booster when I spent $60. $9 came from my paper booster when I spent $40. $4 came from Colgate. $5 came from soft soap. And the $2.82 is the extra my Walgreens points. And then I got back my $5 registry reward for the Cascade, along with my $3 registry reward for the Crest. Should have gotten back a $6 registry reward, but of course that did not print. So $14.81, and then minus my $3 and $5 registry reward, which is a total of $8. That brought my grand total down to $6.81 for all of these products, or it'll make each item just 43 cents. Now, if my $6 registry reward would have printed, then this transaction would have only cost me just 81 cents, you guys. So of course I'm hoping, and my fingers are crossed, that Catalina still sends me a $6 registry reward. But if not, you know, it's okay. $6.81 for this amount of products is still a really great transaction. So really no complaints. I am a little bummed about, you know, my $6 registry reward, but again, it is what it is. So that is it for this transaction, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys have gotten so far this week at Walgreens. Let me know what's your most favorite deal, and then also let me know what digital booster did you get. So that is going to be it. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards, guys. I submitted my receipts and I got some points back for my Colgate products. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, guys, don't forget to submit your receipts to the PG Good Everyday website as well, because when you submit your receipts, you do get some points for your P&G items. So again, that is going to be it. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Click that red subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel. And then also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is linked in the description box below. That is going to be it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video.